9 plus 1 parenthesis 12 to the power of 2 divided by 24. 9 plus 1 will give us 10. Then 10 parenthesis 12 to the power of 2 divided by 24. Then our parenthesis, 12 to the power of 2 is 12 times 12. 12 times 12 will give us 144. 144 divided by 24. Put it down in our parenthesis. Then we'll put down our 10 here. 144 divided by 24 will give us 6. Then we have 10 times 6. 10 times 6 will give us 16. But this answer is wrong because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we start with our parentheses, which is 12 to the power of 2 divided by 24. In our parentheses, we have an exponent, which is 12 to the power of 2. 12 to the power of 2 is 12 times 12. 12 times 12 is 144. Then we have 144 divided by 24. Then we bring down our 9 plus 1. We are still in our parentheses. 144 divided by 24 will give us 6. Then we have 9 plus 1 times 6. Now we have an addition and a multiplication. We first of all work with our multiplication because it comes first before addition. 1 times 6 will give us 6. Then bring down our 9 here. We have 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.